Another example, a die and a coin were thrown once. What is the probability of getting a head and 6? Solution. So we draw this. Let me draw this like this. So this place is for die. A die we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So die contain 6 spaces. Then coin. Here is coin. Coin contain head and tail. Coin contain a head and a tail. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Here is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. And the question says, what is the probability of getting a head and a 6? A head and a 6. A head and a 6. We circle it. So what is the number? 1 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 over 12. So that is the final answer. That is what? That is the final answer. So let me give you some exercise, then we move to empirical or experimental probability. We move to experimental probability. So we have some exercises here. Exercise 1 to 2. Find the probability that a number selected at random from 41 to 56 is a multiple of 9. Number 2. A fair coin is tossed 3 times. Find the probability of getting 2 heads and 1 tail. Submit your question through our WhatsApp group. Thank you. So we are moving to empirical or experimental probability. So we want to discuss about empirical probability. Empirical probability is the probability calculated using the result of an experiment that has been performed. It's the probability calculated using the result of an experiment that has been performed. So they will have performed those experiments. They will now give you those results and they will now ask you to calculate for the probability. In empirical probability, to calculate for event, probability of event equals to frequency of that event over total frequency. Frequency of that event over total what? Total frequency. That's how many times did the event occur within the other events, and the total number of the whole events. So that's where F in the bracket of E is the number of times the event occur, while EF is the summation of total frequency. Is the summation of total frequency. So let us take some examples. So we have an example here. So families were measured by the number of children they have to give the following frequency distribution. This number of children. So families were measured by the number of children. So look at this family. 12 family have 0 children. 0 did not give birth to any child. While 28 family have give birth to a child. Then 22 family give birth to 2 children, and 8 give birth to 3, and 2 give birth to 4, and 2 give birth to 5 or more. Use the information to calculate for the probability that another family of this type will give birth to 2. Another family of this type will give birth to what? To 2. Birth to 2. Give birth to what? To 2. Now, the first thing we need to do is to get our total frequency. Solution. Summation F. Summation F. Now, they said family. We are talking about number of children they have to give the following frequency distribution. Number of children to give this frequency distribution. So now we need to calculate 12 plus 28. This will give us 40. 40 plus 22, 64. 64 plus 8, 70. 64. 64 plus 8 will give us 72. 72 plus 2 will give us 74. 74 plus 2 will give us 76. Will give us 76. Let's come again. 28 plus 20 plus 12 give 3. That's 4. 0 4 plus 2 2. 62 plus 8. 70 plus 2. 72. 74 gives us 74. 74. Now let's go back to the first question. Probability of 2. Probability of 2 will now be frequency of 2 over total frequency. So what is the frequency of 2? 22. Total frequency 74. 2 here 11. 2 here 37 equals to 11 over 37. So the second one is probability of 3 or more. 3 or more. You look at 3. 3 or more. 3 or more. 3 will now be probability of 3 or more. Will now be equals to frequency of 3. 3 or plus frequency of 4 plus frequency of 5 or more, all over total summation f, all over summation f. Then from here, probability of 3 or more now equals, what is the frequency of 3? 8 plus 2 plus 2 over 75, which is equals to, the frequency of 3 is 8, 4, 2, this and is 2. So 8 plus this will give us 12 over 74. 2 here, 6. 2 here, 37, which equals to 6 over 37. 6 over 37. So probability of less than 2 children will have equals to less than 2. So that 2 is not inclusive. That less than 2 will now be frequency of 1 plus frequency of 0 all over summation f. Frequency of 0 is 12 plus 28 all over 74. 12 plus 28 over 74, which give us now 12 plus 3 over 40 over 74. 2 here 20, 2 here 37, 20, which is equals to 20 over 37. So that is about empirical probability. So this is your exercise. The table below shows the amount of money which some students possess in their wallet at a given time. Amount in naira: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of students: 1, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4. If a student is chosen at random from the group, what is the probability that the student has A, 4 naira, B, 2 naira? Solve it, submit to our WhatsApp group. Thank you. We are moving to the next chapter of next part of probability, which is addition rule.